Hey guys, this is Inara Nevaeh, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup look with this makeup kit. This makeup kit is for kids like me, and I did this whole entire look with this makeup kit. I got some purple eyeshadow with some blue, if you can see it, and I also got some blush. And this makeup kit does not come with blush, so I'll show you how to do that also. Okay, now let's get started. So instead of using brushes that came with the makeup set, I'm going to be using some of my own brushes that need to be cleaned. But that's fine because I have one that fell on the floor that I use that doesn't need to be cleaned. Dun, dun, dun. So it is a little bit messy, but I'm going to take the yellow and where is it? I'm going to use, you can use like a bobby pin or something to scratch it off, but I'm going to use this little puppy keychain thing to make it into a little bit of a powder. To use its feet, or if you have the same thing and you're using it, you can use the little hook. I don't know where I got it, so I cannot tell you, but that's fine. And then I'm just going to use it as some foundation and put it all around my face. Now that I've done that, it didn't do much. It just coated my face. I'm going to use the same yellow, but a little bit more powdery. So you can also use your fingernail for this. And now that I found some bobby pins, I'm going to use to scratch it up. I'm just not going to use the bobby pins I found. To do the other colors, you can use your black bobby pin, but my bobby pins are colored that I just used. And I'm going to put it on this green brush. That doesn't need to be washed either. It's just I've been using this one with the same color. Some of them need to be washed, and I got some makeup wipes, luckily. And I just put it where I would put the blush. And then, camera almost fell there. I'm going to be right. What? I'm going to wash off this brush with one of my wipes. You can use any type of wipes. I'm using baby wipes, but you can also use makeup wipes. Baby wipes work really well, or you can use like disinfectant wipes. I've done disinfectant wipes before. The wipes might not get in completely clean, but clean enough to where you can use it again. Life hack. Why do my teeth just look yellow? I don't know. And then I'm going to take powder yellow all over me. No. I'm going to take this one and this one, this one and this one, and powder it up with my dog. My puppy ran away. Okay. First I'm going to start with a light pink one. And then I'm going to take my blue brush. And then I'm just going to dab it in. Because it is a bent heart. And then I'm just gonna put it on like normal blush. Why am I trying to do that in the camera? I don't know. Probably because I'm looking at you guys. It might not look the best, but worth a try. And it should look like my makeup look that I'm trying to do. Oh my goodness, 2 makeup wipes came out. Baby wipes, I meant. Okay, I thought I ran out for a second. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my little scratcher and scratch off some of the dark pink and just lightly dab it. We don't want it to be too dark, but we want it to be a little bit dark because the light pink just looks like pink on me. This will make it look a little bit more like blush, but not exactly blush. If you have blush, use it. Still, to make this look, just use a little bit of the light eyeshadow with the blush. Okay. That's after. Orange brush, come out now. Yes. My orange brush for the... I'm going to use my orange brush for the eyeshadow. Yes, eyeshadow. Forgot what it's called there. So first, I'm going to use some of the purple. This is the only makeup look I've done in the past 2 days. 2 days, yes. I've been testing out for 2 days. But I don't know how well I'm going to do it while I'm talking to you. But I am going to do it. Think I'm going to do it good? I don't know how good I'm going to do it. Oh, with a wet brush. But I'm going to try. I'm just going to use the back of the brush for a second. Yeah, that doesn't help at all. So probably this is a whole mess. I like to pretend like the puppy is digging a hole in my makeup. And then I use the powder that he didn't bury it back up with to do my eyes or anything. Okay. Dig some more, puppy. And then I'm just gonna dab it in again for the other eye. Just dab it a little bit. Oh no! Oh no! I got it in a bad spot. Good. No! I just noticed on the other side. Oopsies. I got it like right here and up here. Bad. So, dab, dab, dab. Pat, 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 pat. Oh my god, I forgot to call. I forgot to do this. I just went open, open, open eyes. Oh my goodness, that shows up so much in the camera. I did not notice that. I am so surprised. Blop, 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 blop. Okay. Now I've wiped it off. I'm going to do the blue right here. No! The purple powder me now and the pink. So first, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what color I used for them. Maybe I did but this is your second chance if you didn't see. I'm using this one and that one. This one I used for the purple. And this one I'm using now. Okay. So hard to do it with holding a makeup brush. I don't know why I was holding my makeup brush. Some people might think it's illegal. But it's not. In my house. But it might be illegal in someone else's house. I thought I just broke that thing. This is supposed to be shading, but I'm not using it for shading. I think the one... Hold on, let me find it. Where'd you go? I'll find it later. It's a red brush, and I think that's what it's used for, but I'm using it for something else. But okay. Back to my makeup. The blue does not shred up as good as the other two. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I can't. But if you use it a bunch, scratch it up a bunch, it might work better. Oh my! I don't know how I just did that. But it doesn't scratch up as good. It doesn't powder up as good. But it turns back really good, and it's less messy when you turn it back really good. So, next I'm going to put it in like the crease of my eye. And then a few dabs in the, like a little bit in the middle, but not much. It doesn't do much. Oh my god. And then I'm just going to, after I do it on both eyes, you'll see. I just didn't have any powder. I didn't have any powder. And I tried to do it. Silly me. Do not fly away. I don't think dogs can't fly. Super dogs can. So, there's my eyes. Oh, I forgot to do something. Pat, 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 pat. And then after, since it's so dark up here, just go take this clean brush. Just make sure it's clean first. Okay, and I'm just gonna. I don't think it was 4, but I'm gonna use it like that. So that is the makeup. But for fun, I have this Claire's makeup that does this. And I'm going to put some lip gloss on with my red brush that I don't know where is. Found it. Silly brush, silly brush. Very silly. Beep. And I'm going to use this middle color. Has some sparkle. I'm just gonna goo it up, and I really hate doing it, but I'm gonna do it so I can see the sparkle. And then I'm just gonna swipe it on my lips. Oh my goodness! Oh, hello, my lip. I hate it when clumps get on your lips. So that's why I do it every time I feel like there's a little clump on my lip. And that's my makeup. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.